Hello, do you want to trade and you have no idea how to start? My name is Lutfu. I am an FBS manager. I will share with you some of my tips today. How to start trading? First, you need a reliable trading platform. FBS Trader is the best for it. It's very easy to use and there is $100 bonus for beginners. And the next, you have to trade a lot on demo account and explore the platform. Finally, don't hesitate to contact with FBS support. FBS Trader has 24/7 support in different languages and they will solve all your problems quickly. Yes, trading takes time to learn. However, you can learn faster with FBS Trader.